welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about multiple reasons why your vent in the house might be running all the time, or you feel cool breeze coming through all your air vents in winter. So the main reason is when air is circulating in the house, you may feel the air coming out of your vents, and it feels cold because your furnace might not be heating it, but it's just the air circulation or the air movement that going through the house that feels cold. So one of the reason can be your dehumidifier setting on your HRV. So the top right corner number, which is 30, is your set or desired dehumidifier setting. And then the number that says 40 is the live humidity inside the house. So if your live humidity is higher than the desired humidity number, which is 30, your HRV system will be running all the time, trying to remove the humidity from the house. So what it does is when this tries to remove the humidity, your ventilation is running all the time. The air from the house goes out and the dry air from outside the house is coming back in. So if you think your humidity is not too high and you don't want to run this setting, you can make this smaller number go higher than your live humidity. So now it's at 45 and the live humidity is at 40, so your dehumidifier setting will automatically deactivate. And this also deactivates when the outside temperature goes above 15 degrees, so let's say spring or late spring, and then that automatically deactivates and this 45 will show off. Then the second reason can be your ventilation setting that's on the bottom. So if you see in here, it shows 20 minutes ventilation, so air coming in and going out of the house. And for 40 minutes, the air is recirculating within the home. So the benefit of this setting is especially when it's minus 20 or below, so minus 25, 30, and your humidity inside the house is a little bit higher and you don't want any condensation on the windows. And also, let's say one of your area in the house is cold and the other area, which is by the thermostat, is warmer. So what this does is it keeps air in motion so that the colder areas can get warmer and then the warmer areas go back to the normal and your thermostat read a lower temperature and then it restarts and start heating. So in this one, if you want to turn this off, you think your humidity is good, your windows are good, you don't want to run this, you can run the setting to 20 minutes ventilation and then 40 minutes standby setting. So in this one, the 20 minutes ventilation will happen, and then for 40 minutes, there won't be any airflow, and then you won't hear your fan running for the HRV. Also, you can lower the fan speed. So if it's set to 4 or 5, you can go to 2 or 3. So whenever your HRV is using the automatic ventilation setting, it will be using the lower fan speed, but when it runs from your washroom or your dehumidifier setting is running, it will be using the full speed, which is level 5. Then also, if you check on your thermostat, so I'll be using Google Nest first. So you may see a fan sign running. So if you press down, if you rotate your dial to go to fan and see if the fan is on. So if you want to turn it on or off, let's say if I have set it to 15 minutes, you will see a fan running here. So to turn it off, you just go to the fan setting and then you can do a stop fan so that the setting will stop automatically. So in this one, if your fan is running, and then you can turn it off. I don't have an Emerson thermostat installed, but you can see on the side there is a button or a switch that shows a fan sign and it says on and auto. So if it's on, or very similar with other thermostats as well. So if it's on, you can put it to auto and then your fan will stop running all the time. But please make sure all these settings are only recommended if your humidity levels are good and your house is well ventilated. Okay, thank you. I hope this information helped you. So please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.